Hi there! This tutorial will show you how to connect your WordPress.org account with Appsero. That way, you can easily deploy your free plugin or theme in the WordPress.org repository. Let's start! Firstly, navigate to the integration button on your Appsero dashboard. Then click on the Connect button beside wp.org subversion. Now enter your WordPress.org account credentials. Then hit on Connect. If your account's credential is correct, then you will see your username beside WordPress.org. And that is how you can connect your WordPress.org account with Appsero. If you want to push your plugin or theme updates from GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket to WordPress.org, please watch the following video in the description. Also, for any help, email us at support@appsero.com. Check out Appsero for more information on analytics, licensing, and deployment of your WordPress plugins.